In fact, this is a really important point. The browser can't really tell that it's definitively online. It can't tell that it's definitively offline either, unless it really has no connection to another device at all. In fact, there's an attribute, navigator.online, that supposedly tells you whether you're online or not. There's also a pair of events that fire on the body of the document when you go online or offline. However, I don't recommend relying on these. They really just tell you if there's a network connection or not. They don't tell you if that network connection is actually connected to anything. For example, my computer at home is occasionally fooled because my cable modem will go out, but my computer is still connected to the router. Sometimes computers or applications will use pings to various servers to tell them if there's a connection to the internet, but fundamentally, as a developer, the only offline status that matters to you is can you get to your own servers? And of course, in the cellular radio case, it can be even more complex. We've all had the experience of having a one-bar signal and trying to use the network. In fact, this is a critical point to offline use, and why we say you need to build offline first. You might think the way to support offline is to use the network first, and then if it fails, you can rely on the cache. But that doesn't really work in the real world, precisely because it can take a long time to determine if you don't really have an internet connection. If you only offer cache data once a network request has definitively failed, you leave users waiting while their device desperately tries but fails to actually transfer data over the network. This is what we mean by offline first. Not that you should code offline first, but to underscore that your app has to be able to use cache data first, and then update the cache contents when it's online, but continue to use old data from the cache when it's offline.